Can I?
What you going to do with the caterpillar? What you going to do with him?
I want him as a pet.
A pet? What you going to feed him?
Butterfly. I'm turn butterfly.
More than likely.
Because me I look at him, I see the spots on him. I wonder if I want those big ones. Those big butterflies, you know them on there.
But look at the horn. You see the horn on him?
Yes.
Wow.
But where the front is that? May I look if I'm
So-
front row here, so?
The horn. I think the horn would be here. I
That's
think.
where-
I think the horn is at the front.
So that's his face. We're looking
Yeah.
at. So what is moving at the back there? Look like a mouth. I don't even know. What
And more that I move.
Yeah, this is something open up like teeth. Something like teeth.
Oh.
See them teeth down there.
Oh, I don't hear so.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Teeth.
Yeah. That's him teeth. Well, not teeth, but.
But 5 minutes to eat.
Oh my goodness, Lord, he's big. Oh my.
Eat the entire sweets actually.